So this is the instructions, like the lights, the pad lights, left and right. So obviously, like positive to positive, negative to negative, and run to the relay, and they have a fuse going to positive, and then obviously the black is negative, and then the switch. So let's go. So let's start with the lights first. There's a bolt there. Then you grab the mounting bracket. I think I used the short one because the long one, I think it's here for holder. And let's see if this one is perfect. Well, there you go. Use the short one, then you can adjust whatever you want, like that. So we have one ready to go. It should be like that. So let's do the next one. Same procedure. Short bolt, washer, bracket, then just straight up to the middle. There you go. Second pad light. So I have here mounting bracket in the hood. I bought this one separately. So there's two screws. Allen. This one is separate from the lights, so as you can see there. Can clamp this on the hood. There are two. And there's a manual in case. this one as well. It's because this one it will goes on the hood. We clip this one on the hood here, and then the lights going forward, right? So I think just like that. Yeah, and just reminding you that this one I bought separately with the lights. But I think you can go this one straight away to the hood without this one. I just put washer. There. You can adjust if you want, like that. So there you go. The first light is installed already, so let's go to the next one. Install ko na yung light. Yung light.
Dumating na?
Andiyan na yung hoki-toki, ginamit na nga namin eh.
Oh,
Yung kay Lilay nasa ano, yung isa nasa TV.
napatan?
So in order to install that, let's put the light first. First light is installed, so in order to assemble that, so you must get this one and this one, and you just do like that. The curve is facing, and here is facing as well, because this one it will goes to the hood. Back, this is back and this is back, facing to the hood. It will hook up, and this one it will hook up to the lights. So just to remind you, this bracket here is I bought separately. This bracket, it's not including with the lights. This is not including with the lights. Only this one, just like that, and then you just tighten with the Allen wrench. So I slant little bit so that it will align on the hood. So if it will not fit on your hood, you just adjust this one little bit. You just loosen a little bit. Just like that. so that it will fit on your hood. This one as well you can lose, because if you look at that, there's a stopper in here, so you just lose that one as well. And then I think it's ready to go. We just clamp up this one in the hood. You just clamps up first here before you put it in the lights. So before I hook up the lights, I just pull down the hood so that I can see if it's aligned or no. So as you can see, the other side there, and then the other mounting is ready to go. So I just put the hood so that the visual. There. So I think that's cool. Here, it's not yet locked, so we can just move around or adjust. You can see that one, it's aligned before you tighten the screws. I think that's pretty cool. Look at the other side. Right, let's lock in so that we can proceed to the wirings. So the wiring harness, obviously this guide. So positive is red, negative is black. So we have some connector here. We have 4 connector, then this extra fuse. So basically, like, we put that so this harness we connect all the pod lights, and this is for the battery later on. So let's hook up this into the lights. So it's like here the relay, I just hook up here on the ground, and then my positive I just hook up here, of course, red to red, black to black, and the negative terminal. And so this is my lights here. So I don't know that one if it's, I put zip lock or zip tie here. I put zip tie here, then zip tie on the other side, but this one it's keep hanging. I don't know if I stay like that. So this is pretty much all done here, like the lights from the pod light. So the wiring from the pod light, very easy, like red to red, of course, and black to black. So this is kind of the connections. This one, it's sometimes it's pretty loosened, so I just the other side there just put some electrical tape, and maybe this, and this one as well I will put electrical tape. I'll just open it so that you can see. So what connection is here, it's the same on the other side, and then its run goes here. Then I put the relay, then I put the positive, I tap the positive here, and then I tap the negative, and then the switch, it goes in here. So I just put all the zip lock, or sorry, so I just put all zip tie. This one later on I will cut it. So this is for the switch, and then run in here, zip tie, and then just goes in here. Then you open my door, just like that. So maybe later I just put like that, and then I find a way to hang the switch. So that's pretty much easy. And then let's see if we just turn it on. So that's turn on, up, turn on. And let's see if it's the light is going through. Yeah, there you go. Bolt. So there you go. It's pretty bright, eh? So much bright. The light is so bright. So I'm just kind of scared on the connections in here. Maybe it will loosen because you just, if you have the right tools, like you just clamp it. Well, I don't have right tools. I just use the pliers. So that's why it's kind of losing. But I put electrical tape on it so that it will gonna get through. So yeah, that's it. That's everything. And turn it up. There you go. You have a pod light. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye.